Welcome to Crazy Dashcam. We bring you interesting and valuable videos. Here you will find main content description of the channel. We are committed to providing you with the highest quality and most up-to-date content. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you for visiting, and we hope you enjoy what we have to share.
Whoa! Oh my goodness.
The white pickup truck towing a swaying trailer behind is very dangerous, likely to cause accidents. Speed and load must be controlled.
Oh, shit. The fuck was that?
Hey. Hey, man. One.
The white car parking in the wrong direction at a red light is dangerous and violates traffic laws. Although it later backed up to yield to other vehicles, this situation still caused obstruction and posed risks to others on the road. The SUV, while turning into the lane without reducing speed, lost control, crossed into the adjacent lane, and caused a collision with another vehicle.
可是现在很少人用这个砖，对不对？每个家都是像我们这个铺的那个。Fuck mate！
哎呦，找死了！
In your opinion, who is right and who is wrong in this situation?
Use the right two lanes to turn right onto George
one
Street.
way.
What the hell?
This road becomes slippery after rain, so everyone should be careful when driving in bad weather conditions. He is deliberately using the adjacent lane to easily overtake other vehicles. This action not only violates traffic laws, but also endangers other road users. It seems that a metal rod had been on the road beforehand. When a vehicle passed over it, it was propelled into the windshield of another car. This object likely fell off from a cargo vehicle.
I haven't done that yet, and I probably need to jump on.
Whoa, Jesus Christ.
I heard that.
This guy, comes...
The pickup truck towing a trailer with a boat was speeding and overtaking recklessly. This behavior is very dangerous and can lead to serious accidents, especially when towing large cargo like a boat. Two cases of driving too fast without controlling speed and experiencing wheel slip highlight the dangers of not adhering to proper speed limits.
Caution. Approaching red light camera.
There are jobs you hate doing. Yep. I'm okay to outsource. Yes.
The driver of the yellow car appeared to be driving under the influence. He swerved out of his lane. Fortunately, there was no collision.
Do you think they were just on their phone? Who knows?
Thank you all for watching the video till the end. If you found this content useful and interesting, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our new videos. We regularly update with exciting and helpful content to serve you. Join our community and let's explore more new things together.
An interesting little tidbit that might confirm what
The green car passing through the intersection at high speed on a slippery road is extremely dangerous. The combination of fast speed and poor road conditions can lead to serious accidents. The tree suddenly fell onto the road while traffic was passing by. Fortunately, no collisions occurred when it fell.
Sorry, we're just having to stop wait for someone to do donuts in front of us. Oh. What the fuck?
The truck lost control of its speed and collided with the black SUV. Thankfully, by God's grace, no one was injured.
Fuck me!
I'll go to the room right now.
Holy fuck!
Holy fuck.
A tire suddenly appeared on the road and collided with vehicles behind it. This is a dangerous and unexpected situation, highlighting the importance of thorough vehicle inspections and maintenance to prevent such incidents.
That car. It came off in the back of me. Oh no. Yeah, it must have came off the back.
Two men clashed after a traffic collision. While arguing over who was at fault, their anger escalated. One felt injured, while the other refused to admit fault. The tense situation was only resolved when one of the men left. The truck's cargo was so high that it got caught in the power lines, nearly pulling down a utility pole. This highlights the need to carefully check cargo dimensions and adhere to traffic regulations to ensure safety. Smoke was coming from the trailer of the pickup truck, and it was unclear what was causing it.
Making clicking noises with their claws, and there's the pistol shrimp, which does this. So it looks bizarre. It's got one incredibly. What the fuck?
You fell asleep.
Thank you for watching the entire video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss our upcoming content. Your support is the motivation for us to keep growing. Thank you very much.
Johnson again for Tohu Harris. Now Dylan Walker loses it. He lets Canterbury off the hook. And the Bulldogs look to counter straight away with Burton going